According to a report by the French Institute of International Relations, drone-inflicted casualties have surged from less than 10% in 2022 to nearly 80% last year. This is no longer a tank war. This is no longer an artillery war. This is a drone war. And nowhere is that more terrifying than inside the trenches of eastern Ukraine. Listen to this. A Ukrainian drone hunter from the 93rd Mechanized Brigade, call sign Marine, described what happens when Russia attacks. He said, quote, "Three would circle, another would attack, while the others join. They're in the air like that all the time, not letting anyone get away." In just 1 hour, his team watched 54 drones assault a single Russian unit, 54, in 60 minutes. That is not a battle. That is an extermination. Andriy Meskov, a drone pilot with the 151st Separate Reconnaissance Strike Battalion, knows this terror firsthand, not as the hunter, as the hunted. He was caught in the open when an FPV drone locked onto him. He ran. He tried to take cover. But as he said, quote, "The speed of a human being doesn't compare to the speed of an FPV drone." He didn't even have time to pick up his rifle to shoot back. The drone exploded near his leg. Severe injury. This is the reality. You cannot outrun a drone. Here is something every American military planner needs to understand. Colonel Vyacheslav Kuriny, chief doctor at a Kharkiv hospital, says drone warfare has destroyed battlefield medicine. The average evacuation time has stretched beyond 3 days. His words, quote, "Any countries that are preparing for war at home need to realize that there will be no golden hour. Maybe a golden day if they're lucky," end quote. The drone doesn't just kill, it prevents rescue. Now watch how Ukraine combines drones with infantry. In the Kharkiv region, Marines from the 36th Separate Marine Brigade cleared captured enemy trenches, but first, the drones went in. Bomber drones dropped explosives on Russian positions, driving the survivors into dugouts. Then the Marines moved in. Grenades, rifles, close quarters. The stronghold was cleared, Ukrainian control restored. Remember when tanks dominated the battlefield? Not anymore. Valentin Bodanov, a Ukrainian tank commander, keeps his captured T-72 hidden under camouflage netting. It doesn't move. It functions as stationary artillery, because if it moves, drones will find it. He said, quote, "They won't enter an open field. They'll be peppered by FPV drones. The age of the tank is over. The age of the drone has begun." And America is watching, learning. The US Army just unveiled the Humvee Drone Hunter, an upgraded Humvee, equipped with a specialized turret and crow's remote weapon station, designed to shoot down low-altitude drones with heavy machine guns. The system was recently tested in Lithuania. Why? Because NATO planners have concluded that defending Europe's eastern flank requires cheap, flexible anti-drone defenses, not expensive missile systems. This is the future of warfare, and it's being written in Ukraine. May 2026, the drone war has transformed the battlefield forever. "54 drones in 1 hour. No golden hour for the wounded. Tanks that cannot move, soldiers who cannot run." Ukraine is teaching the world how to fight this new war. The question is the world paying attention? Subscribe for weekly combat footage.